really solid Corvette from 1963. Not a split window coupe, obviously, but this convertible could bring some serious dollars on the block.
Well, and I'm going to predict that it will. This is a very well-known car. It's been celebrated in the Corvette community. It's been in a handful of different magazines over the years. And our opening bid, $110,000. Riverside Red, fantastic color, but that's what does it there for me. Top of the line, 360 horsepower, Rochester Ramjet fuel injected, 327 and a 4-speed manual transmission. Comprehensive frame off, meaning the body was taken off of the frame. Everything has been done. Whitewall tires, very popular. They were optional in 1963, and most folks checked that box off.
Knockoff wheels, always looking so good on these mid-year Corvettes.
We've reduced the percentage already by 4%.
We were 140. Yeah, we were 140. No. Yeah, we were 140. I think they had someone goof up here. We were 140. That's where we're going to leave it at right now, Troy, is we're in at 140. We're 140.
Yeah. So they're doing some mathematics there with Clint.
They're trying to work on the seller, Troy, to see if 140 will work, but they had someone wave. That's why they went to 145. So we're still holding strong.
Yeah, it's a consignor there in the darker
seeing if the
green
seller
shirt facing the
lift
camera.
his reserve
Okay.
or not. If it doesn't work, then at least you got your bullets for the last one.
There we go.
Reserve's off, Troy. You're the bid right
We
now.
got the numbers worked out, and the $140,000 phone bidder is in, and now he owns that car. So $140,000 for that 63 Corvette convertible, fuel injected as well. Very, very nice.